In this standard, we're going to learn how to solve using the square root. Not all quadratic equations need to be solved by factoring or by using the quadratic formula, which we'll learn next. If b is equal to 0, there is no x term, or if we have x plus or minus a number to the second power, we can get x squared by itself and then take the square root of both sides. We just have to make sure to include both the positive and negative root. Okay? For example, x squared equals 196. Take the square root of both sides. X equals 14. Now this is important. It's just not 14. It's positive and negative 14. Positive 14 will work, but also negative 14 will work. X squared minus 64 equals 0. Add 64 to both sides and I get x squared equals 64. Take the square root of both sides and I get x equals positive or negative 8. X squared equals 17. Now I know what you're thinking. 17 is not a perfect square. Okay, I agree. Take the square root and I get x equals positive or negative square root of 17. I'm going to skip down, skip number 4, skip number 5. Let's go to let's change this to a 40. And I get 4x squared. No, I don't want to do that one either. Let's move down to number 8. X plus 2 squared plus 17 equals 81. Subtract 17 to both sides, 81 minus 17, and you get 64. X plus 2 equals 64. Now, I can take the square root of all of that and this, and I get x plus 2 equals 8. Subtract 2 to both sides, and x equals positive or negative 6.